This is a piano tutorial for Michelle, this time as a soloist, so you won't be playing the melody, you'll be singing it, I'll be singing it, but not in French. So when I get to that part, I'm gonna go la, 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 and you'll have to figure it out. So anyway, let's show you the chords here. We'll start with a D chord. Michelle, that's a D, F sharp, and A. There's a G minor, B flat. D is D, F sharp, and A. Here's G minor, B flat, D, and G. My bell is a C chord, C, E, G. These are words that go. There's a B diminished, B, D, F. Go together. That's the A flat diminished, A, D, F, and A flat. Together well. There's an A, C sharp, and E. Oh, Michelle, that's an E, G sharp, B, and E. Michelle, my bell. There's an A again, A, C sharp, E. That repeats, D, Michelle, G minor, my bell, C, la, 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 la. There's a B diminished, B, D, F, la, la, la. That's A flat diminished, D, F, and A flat. La, la, la. There's an A, C sharp, and E, G sharp, B, and E, and then A again. I love you. There's a D minor, D, F, and A. I love you, I love you. That's F7. D minor is D, F, and A. F7 is A, C, E flat, and F. That's all I want to say. There's a B flat chord, B flat, D, F. A7, A, C sharp, E, G. Until I find there's a D minor, A, D, F. Oh, there's A7, oh, A, D minor again. There's G minor, B flat, D, and G. Till I will say. There's a D minor, A, D, F. Say the only. There's a F augmented, A, C sharp, and F. Only words, D minor again, D, A, D, F. Just say that you. There's B flat, D, F. You'll understand. There's a G minor there, B flat, D, G. Understand. There's an A, C sharp, and E. There's a D major, A, D, F sharp. I love you. G minor, B flat, D, G. C7, B flat, C, E, G. Then you got that B diminished again, and then A7, A, C sharp, E, G. Then it repeats on the chorus there, and then you take the coda, and it's the same to the end. At the ending, it's I will say D minor. The only A7 is A, C sharp, E, and G. The words D minor again, A, D, F. I know G minor, B flat, D, G. That you'll D minor, G minor understand. A7, A, C, E, G. My D minor, A7, Michelle, D major, A, D, F sharp, G minor, D. So you've got to play your root note, figure that out for the left hand. So when you're playing a D chord here, it's a D down here. When you're playing a G minor, it's a G. When you're playing a C, it's a C, and so on. So work on it, hands alone. Once you've got it down, this is what it sounds like.